Hi everybody. All right, so I'm in the bathroom here at the surgical center where my father's getting his eye surgery. When I got back and got into his room, he was out cold. So the nurse did his vitals, his sugar, and all that stuff. And now he is in on his procedure, and he should be out probably within an hour. And I'll let you guys know exactly how it worked out, and if not now, later on today.
The warming thing there. I can't believe we waited that long. An hour before you got in there, and then it took probably a half hour, and then you just woke up and they're like just finally giving you a snack. That's good. I'm glad you're feeling better. Well, they give you more instructions, right? On later. Good. All right. I ended up leaving for his regular room at like 10 minutes to 11. Something like that. And I didn't hear anything. And I sat 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 and I sat. And then, I'm not kidding, like, all these people were going in, coming out. And I'm like, what in the world's going on? Well, when they finally let me back in to see him after surgery, it was 1:15 in the afternoon. And I found out that he did not go in till 10 minutes to 1. And, no, excuse me, 10 minutes to 12. By the time they got done and everything, it was almost 1 o'clock. So by the time they got him ready and everything, it was 1:15. So it was a long day. It's been a long day sitting there waiting for him. I was like, ugh. And the minute I got in the car, it looked like the sun was going to come out. And then I started driving toward home, and I get home and it starts to downpour. So I'm like, I'm kind of glad I didn't go out today door dashing. But now I'm going to have some lunch, some beef stew, and that I made the other night. And then I'm going to do some housework before I make dinner. All right. Talk later. I looked all over for this yesterday and it was hiding on that row shelf in there. Alright, so it's cleaning out the fridge day. I did the top already on the other camera. I don't know if it'll come out. But now I'm doing this shelf that has the meats on it. And it's pretty gross because stuff fell on it and it got stuck to it. So that's going to take me a while to scrub out. I'm going to take the drawer out first and then put the clean it out. So this is the finished product of my cleaned out fridge. I even did the door after I had done the inside. I just didn't have footage of that. I think my battery was running low. I think it came out pretty good. Much better than it was. Well, I hope if you guys liked this video that you will subscribe to the channel. Like this video, favorite this video, share it amongst the logarithm, hit the notifications button for future videos like this. And you folks have a great night. God bless y'all. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.